Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best foldable game table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can add to your home, especially if you're a fan of board games, card games, or even just need an extra surface for activities. Imagine transforming your living room into an instant gaming arena or a dedicated crafting space with just a few simple folds, making it perfect for those who value flexibility and space-saving solutions in their living environment. Number 5. Flash Furniture Madelyn 33.5 Folding Card Table. Introducing a versatile folding table, perfect for hosting family gatherings, game nights, or any event. It offers a convenient surface for all your social needs. This table is the ideal size for your favorite card games or tackling that large puzzle with loved ones. Gather around for hours of fun. Enjoy your card games without worry thanks to the padded vinyl top. It helps prevent cards from sliding too quickly, ensuring fair play. Designed for convenience, its lightweight frame and collapsible legs make it easy to move and store. Set it up or put it away in seconds. With ample space, this table comfortably accommodates up to 4 players. No assembly is required, so you can start using it right away. Crafted with quality materials, it features a sleek black vinyl top and a sturdy metal frame. This table is built to last and look great in any setting. What we like. This table offers a comfortable, padded surface perfect for card games. Its compact size is ideal for smaller gatherings. If you're looking for a dedicated card game table that's ready to go right out of the box, this is a great choice. What people say. This table is very sturdy and well made. It folds up easily for storage. The playing surface is smooth and even, perfect for card games and board games. It's a great size for our family game nights, comfortably seating up to 8 people. Number 4. Best Choice Products 6 Feet Folding Table, Black. This table boasts a robust and easy-to-clean surface, made with high-quality plastic that's thicker and stronger than other brands. It can support up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for all your needs. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any occasion. Use it as a dining or game table for outdoor gatherings, or as a convenient serving or display surface for indoor events. Enjoy a stable experience with its powder-coated steel legs, secure frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet. It's designed to stay firmly in place throughout your event. Take it anywhere with its foldable design, convenient side lock, and integrated handle. It folds away compactly for easy storage when not in use. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and it's ready to go. Enjoy its full 72-inch length and 300 pounds weight capacity right out of the box. What we like. This option boasts a robust, easy-to-clean surface with impressive weight capacity, suitable for both indoor and outdoor events. If you need a durable and versatile table for parties, picnics, or camping that's easy to transport, consider this one. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well built, with a smooth playing surface. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The built-in cup holders are a nice touch and keep drinks from spilling. Number 3. Best Choice Products 8 Feet Folding Table. Enjoy a strong, easy-to-clean surface that can hold up to 300 pounds. It's made with high-quality plastic, thicker than other brands for superior durability. This table is perfect for any occasion, whether it's an outdoor cookout, a birthday party, or an indoor event. Use it for dining, games, serving, or display. Powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays firmly in place. You can rely on its stability for all your needs. With its foldable design, side lock, and convenient handle, taking it on the go or storing it away is a breeze. It folds down compactly for easy storage. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs, and it's ready for immediate use. It's that simple to set up and enjoy. What we like. Featuring a thick, heavy-duty top and a generous size, this table is built to last and accommodate larger groups or more items. If you frequently host outdoor events or need a substantial surface for parties and gatherings, this is the one to get. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made, with a smooth playing surface. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The built-in cup holders are a nice touch and keep drinks from spilling. Number 2. Stakmore Classic Straight Edge Solid Wood Folding Card Table. Experience superior hosting with this versatile table. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, it offers lasting durability and a timeless look. Its timeless straight-edge design brings a touch of elegance to any room. It effortlessly enhances your home's ambience and decor. When not in use, it conveniently folds to just 3.375 inches deep. Store it easily in closets, under beds, or against walls. Forget the hassle of assembly. You can start using it right away, so you can focus on your games and guests. Open, it provides ample space for activities at 32 by 32 inches. When folded, its compact design makes storage a breeze. What we like. Crafted from premium solid wood, this table brings a touch of elegance to any space and is built for durability. If you prioritize aesthetics and a timeless look for your game nights or gatherings, this sophisticated option is ideal. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, with a smooth playing surface. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The built-in cup holders are a nice touch and keep drinks from spilling. Number 1. Best Choice Products 2x4 feet 10 in 1 Game Table. Get ready for hours of entertainment with 10 exciting games. It's perfect for family game nights, offering something for every age and skill level. Enjoy a variety of classic games all in one convenient table. From hockey and foosball to pool and ping pong, the fun never stops. This versatile table is designed to save space. Easily store all the game surfaces, making it a great addition to any room, even a child's bedroom. Play with confidence thanks to its stable construction. The strong legs and non-slip footing ensure it stays put during even the most intense matches. Bring the arcade home with this all-in-one game table. It's the best choice for creating lasting memories with friends and family. What we like. This is the ultimate entertainment hub, offering a multitude of games in a single unit. If you're looking for endless fun and variety for family game nights without taking up too much space, this all-in-one game table is perfect. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It folds up easily for storage. The playing surface is smooth and even. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.